Here's a detailed explanation of the differences between debit cards and credit cards. Debit cards and credit cards are two of the most common types of payment cards used today. Both cards offer convenience and flexibility for making purchases, but they work in very different ways. A debit card is linked to your bank account and allows you to spend money that you already have. When you make a purchase with a debit card, the funds are immediately deducted from your account. In other words, you're spending your own money, not borrowing money from a lender. Debit cards can be used at most merchants that accept electronic payments, and you can also use them to withdraw cash from ATMs. On the other hand, a credit card is a type of loan that allows you to borrow money to make purchases. When you use a credit card to make a purchase, you are essentially borrowing money from the credit card issuer. You will need to repay the amount borrowed, typically with interest, by the due date on your monthly statement. If you don't pay the full balance owed, you will be charged interest on the remaining balance. Here are some key differences between debit and credit cards. Interest and fees. With a debit card, there are usually no interest charges or fees for using the card, other than any ATM fees charged by your bank or the ATM operator. With a credit card, you will be charged interest on any unpaid balances and may also be subject to fees such as an annual fee, late payment fee, or over-limit fee. Credit score. Using a debit card has no effect on your credit score since it doesn't involve borrowing money. However, using a credit card can impact your credit score, both positively and negatively. Making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization low can help improve your credit score, while missing payments or maxing out your credit limit can hurt your score. Rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards programs that allow you to earn cash back, points, or miles for using the card. Debit cards may also offer rewards programs, but they tend to be less generous than those offered by credit cards. Fraud protection. Both debit and credit cards offer some degree of fraud protection, but the rules and regulations governing each can be different. Credit cards typically offer stronger fraud protection, as federal law limits your liability for unauthorized charges to $50, and many issuers offer $0 liability. In summary, a debit card allows you to spend money you already have, while a credit card allows you to borrow money to make purchases. Both types of cards offer convenience and flexibility, but they work in very different ways and have different advantages and disadvantages. Ultimately, the choice between a debit card and a credit card will depend on your personal financial situation and spending habits.